Hey, we got something for you Mopar lovers today. I know we've had a lot of Camaros and Chevelles, but today we got 1970 Challenger RT SE. The SE is the special edition. Pretty rare to find that as a package on the Challenger. This is a 440 car, rotisserie restored. Go to volocars.com, you'll see pictures of the underneath of this car. It's all painted purple. It's beautiful front to back. We're gonna open it up, hang tight, we're even gonna start it. You're gonna love how this one sounds. We'll go around and show the car. 15-inch rally wheels with the reproduction polyglass tires. It's got all this striping and the spoiler and the power bulge hood has the stripe. Correct antenna. Has the chrome plated sport mirrors. So this is really decked out. And it's all the way you would see it according to the trim tag. It's a real Plum Crazy purple car. Now the SE had a smaller rear window. A regular Challenger has a bigger window. Taillights, all this is beautiful. It's got the correct exhaust tips. Really sharp looking car. Marker lights look new. Car is straight. I can see the reflection of the floor. Look inside this sweetheart. Look at the restored steering wheel and all the wood grain on the dash is beautiful. It has the rally gauge cluster. And if you notice, it has black seats and white door panels. That's what was called for on this car. It came a black and white interior. It is a U code, so that means it's a 440 car. It has a correct 440 motor in the car. And it is detailed like it just left the factory, down to the correct Mopar battery, the crinkle finish on the air cleaner, and it's just spotless. It's all detailed like new. Got the right hose clamps, new alternator. All the components look like they're new. So I'm going to start it up here in a minute. Pop the trunk open. Make sure you go to volocars.com to see this car for sale, along with a couple hundred others. Right inside the trunk is all painted purple. It has the space saver spare with the air bottle. The jack is mounted in the right location. Has the new mat, all painted nice. The latches, everything's detailed up real nice. Very responsive, snappy, runs clean. Go to our website and look at the pictures of the overhead console. That's also part of the SE package. The dash pad in this car is real nice. The instrument panel's beautiful. Everything looks stock, even has AM radio. I don't see anything that's been changed or aftermarket. The clock is ticking. The gauges work. Shows 394 miles. That's since restoration. Has all of its seat belts. All the stainless trim is polished up real nice. So go to volocars.com. This car is for sale along with a few hundred others. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put stuff like this on a few times a day now.